Hi, welcome back. Thanks for joining us here with Sapiens Forward. Today, what I want to cover in this video is to give kind of an overview of what some of the main AI chat-based tools are out there. It's December 2024. What are the main ones that people might be using right now that have been around for a little bit that you might be interested in using? So just kind of dive right in. What we have first here is OpenAI's website and ChatGPT. ChatGPT really has the lion's share of the market right now in these AI chat tools. They've been around for a number of years, and their ChatGPT product has been out for the last 2 years, but in 2023 really took the world by storm with their 3.5 version. Now they have quite a few additional models and also different types of paid access plans that you can use the ChatGPT app. So if we take a look here, you can see there's Plus, and this is basically the free version here, so you can upgrade to get access to other models that are available that ChatGPT provides, each one being a bit more sophisticated or able to do slightly different things or act in a slightly different way, whether it's a smaller model that can act more quickly, or maybe like some of the models available just to Pro, which just came out recently, which can do some more advanced reasoning. But you can see here, you can simply get to it by going to openai.com and checking out ChatGPT, or just going to chatgpt.com itself. Now, one of the neat things about some of these different AI chat tools is you can create an account very easily. If you already have, let's say, a Gmail account, you have Google, you can just connect to it using Google. Certainly, there's also an app which you can install on, let's say, your iPhone or Android or something like that, and use it that way. But it's kind of neat that, provides some prompts here, some examples of different things you can do. Let's see what it comes up with. Yeah, a horoscope for the day. So interesting, right? As you can see, it puts together some content for you, trying to answer your question, what it's doing. You can go ahead and let it know if it's a good response or bad response. This is kind of part of the reinforcement activity that you can do with some of these chat tools to help give them some insights into if what you produced is helpful or not. These are some of those different models I was referring to. They're either faster or maybe more robust in how they can try and tackle your question or task. So sometimes different models can be more effective. There's also advanced voice mode, and maybe we'll talk about this more in a separate video, but these are some of the other tools. You can attach files and ask it to do something with those files. So this is just a very brief look at ChatGPT that is provided by OpenAI. Next we have Anthropic. Anthropic was a company that was founded by some folks that were also working with OpenAI. They kind of started their own venture. Some of those people have left and joined here, come from elsewhere. And their main product is Claude. Claude, you can also use it in a free version, and this is browser-based, or you can set up the apps on your phone, that sort of thing. And it's, in a lot of ways, very similar, but I would say, ChatGPT and Claude are really kind of in a race, neck and neck, trying to continue to upgrade and provide more features and more capabilities. Again, similar to like we saw with ChatGPT, there's some kind of example prompts you can do here as in what you want to come up with. You can capture screenshots, upload files, all kinds of stuff. Again, you can upgrade. It might provide you more capabilities, access to more storage, and things like that. Pretty neat. Like I said, this one you can also connect via a Google account, so that is pretty handy. Make it simple to get access to it and start using it right away if that's something you're trying to check out. Now Gemini, this is the AI chat tool provided by Google itself, so certainly, yes, you can connect with a Google account. They also have an advanced mode here that you can upgrade to try. As you can see, they're very similar in sort of their approach, what they provide, but ultimately, what you get out of it through the questions or tasks or prompts that you send it are going to be slightly different because of the way that the models they use are ultimately trained. But there you go. That's Google Gemini. Google has gone through a bit of a phase trying to figure out what they were going to be naming their system. They were calling their AI system Bard previously, and now they've arrived at Gemini. We'll see if it changes its name once again. Google sometimes will change their product names until they figure out something that really sticks. And last but not least of these top 4 that we're looking at, we have Copilot by Microsoft. Now Microsoft, they started a partnership with OpenAI over the last few years, providing investment in OpenAI to help them with their funding. And in return, Microsoft got access to some of the API and capabilities of ChatGPT to really help Microsoft get a leap forward with their own AI chat tool, Copilot. Now, I'm not actually signing here in this one because I'll be honest, setting up a Microsoft account sometimes can be really difficult to get past the anti-bot CAPTCHAs and things like that. So I didn't really feel like messing with it here. But if you already have a Microsoft account through some of your tools that you use on a daily basis with like Office, you'll be good to go and set up and use it. But you can do stuff that's similar to like any of these other tools here, setting up with the text and a chat, and be able to get started right away with some of the AI tools. So this is a good look here at what we're doing with AI tools. Hope you enjoy it, and see you at the next one.